Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. This afternoon, I want to show you guys a couple of accessories, some new, some that I've had for quite a while, but I think that all of these accessories will benefit those out there that are using the DJI Pocket 3 or a number of other action cameras. Now, one of the products is this little cage that you guys see here. Now, I didn't discover this on my own. I actually watched another influencer talking about this K&F concept cage that has the two GoPro like attachments on it. This came out really nice. I've used this a couple of times. I took it off the pocket so that you guys could see it up close. This has a really nice little hinge system here for installing your pocket. Now, one of the things I did notice, there's very little padding in here. There's a little padding right here on this, right here in the front, but that's pretty much about it. Other than maybe, no, but you could always add some additional pads in here if you're worried about your pocket getting scratched, but you know, this is what you get. So check this one out from K&F Concepts. Now, one of the accessories that I've had for a long time are these snap mount magnetic mounting systems. And as you guys can see, these also come with the GoPro receivers. And here is kind of a rig that I've been using for a while. It has a ball head mount on here, and the way these work is that these are super strong magnets, guys. They just connect like so. So the advantage to having that and combining that with something like this little cage here is that you could use this whether you're mounting this on a monopod, tripod, or if you want a quick release. I'll show you guys how this works. So first things first, these magnets are super strong, so you need to kind of pull them apart like that. So what I'm going to do first here is we're just going to attach this guy and take a look at how we would use this. So when you get your snap mount kit, it will come with their own little thumb pins, which are really nice. So you guys can see that's how that would. I'm just mounting it like this so you guys will be able to see how I'm doing it. Normally I would probably have this a little bit higher up. Actually, let's just do that. Let's just set this up a little bit higher to this next level, like so. And then there we go. Okay, so obviously this is going to work because now you can magnetically connect this to anything that a magnet would attach to. And if you had a tripod or monopod set up, you could easily connect it as well, and you'll be able to use that for kind of running gun. And it gives you a lot of flexibility because you can, you know, tilt this if needed, loosen off this screw a little bit. You can tilt it that way as well. And because of the fact that you have this ball head mount on here, you can also get some adjustments from this guy as well. And if you lock this down with the Allen keys, this is going to stay rock solid. So really simply, let's take our camera. We're just going to drop that in like so. Rotate that around. Let's lock this in place. And now there you go. So again, like I said, you know, you can be really flexible with that. Of course, you want to tighten these up. But like I said, the advantage to this is that now you can take your pocket, lock this screw down, and now you can easily magnetically connect this to anything. And it doesn't take up a lot of room on the device. You get 4 rare earth magnets, super strong. And like I said, this is going to be an excellent way to quickly connect to your different devices. So I wanted to do a quick video just showing you guys some of the accessories that I have that I've been using with my GoPros, with other cameras. And I realized that this would be an excellent product for you guys to take a look at, especially if you have the DJI Pocket 3 or any other camera. So if you're still using a GoPro with the cage, it's going to be basically the same type of setup. And I like it. I like it a lot. So definitely check it out. If this video has been helpful to some of you out there and given you some ideas and inspiration, please, guys, hit that like button and follow, and let me know down in the comments what you think about these products. If you've experienced them before or heard of them before, I will leave some links down in the doobly-doo so that you guys will be able to find all of these different accessories. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe, peace. I'm out.